Hi guys, my name is Arnold Sitoma and I'm here to present my project. Now my project is for hostel booking system for Kenya Institute of Mass Communication. Let me just log in localhost. So it's in my computer, that's why I'm using localhost, it's not that in the internet. So here you'll find the login, but we first have to create an account just to show you how the system works. Now I'll come here to create an account and I'll enter the details here. For full name I'll use just test. Okay, let's say test user 1. Admission, let's guess. Department, we choose engineering. Course, we choose graphics and web design because that's the course I'm currently doing. Email, let's just use test user 1@gmail.com. For password, let's just put it 13. Then we click on create account. Now when we click on create account, it will direct us to the login page. Now the login page will require email and password. And once we click create account, it will direct us to login. Now we have to remember our email, test user1@gmail.com. Our password is 13. Okay, now let's say that our password is 13, but let's say we forgot and we put in 15. It will display an error message here, 032. The email or password you have entered doesn't exist. Now when you click back home, it will take you to the login. So let's put the right credentials, test user, then password is 13. Now because this is a new user, it will direct him to the profile page where he will have to create his profile, like profile image, phone number and all others. Now let's click login. Now it has directed him or her to the profile page. Now to create your profile, you'll come here to edit profile in the middle, then come and choose your image. Now I'm sorry because we won't be able to see where I've chosen my image, but we just see here where they've written no file chosen. You'll see like an image name .jpeg or .png or whatever. Now for mine I'll choose, let's say, person. Now you see it has written person.jpg. Now admission number will be here automatic because to be fetching data from the database since we have already registered the user, and also the department. Floor and room number, you have to leave it like that to display automatic after the user has booked rooms. So where you'll have to input is address and phone number. For address you can put Nairobi, phone number you can guess, and email it will be put here automatic because it's fetching from the registration table in the database. Now once you click save, you will realize that the profile image will replace this one. This one comes by default. Okay, save changes. You see it's already changed. So once you click save changes, it will direct you to the room booking process. Now you'll see your name here, email, admission number, course. So this data is fetched from the database. Since you have already registered, your name, email, admission number and course should be fetched from the database to come and display here. Now the only thing you have to choose is the floor number and the room number. So here once you click the floor, all the rooms in that floor will be displayed. Like let's say ground floor. All the rooms for ground floor are AF to AR to AL. You see? Yeah. So let's say first floor, the B rooms BF, BL, BR. Second floor C, CF, CL, CR. Same with third floor, fourth floor, E rooms, like that. Now here you'll find that there are zeros. This means that no one has booked that room. So let's say like we choose EF01, fourth floor EF01, and then we book the room. A suite alert message will be displayed telling you that your room has been booked successfully. So once you click OK, it will direct you to your room details. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so it says your full name is test user 1, admission number, whatever, course, graphics and web design, floor, 4th floor, room EF01. Now let's see, we are students, so you can find that someone wants to book another room. Once he has booked let's say like someone wants to book another room. So let's say like he or she comes to book another room. Let's say 1st floor, and we choose BL03 and we click book room. The system will automatically go and confirm if that user has already booked a room. If that user has already booked a room, the system will display an error message which reads, you have already booked a room, you cannot book another one. Then if you click OK, to display to the booked room that you have booked. Yeah, so yeah, it's just like that. Now for profile page, here it is. Here's the image we chose for as our test user 1. Here it's the admission number, engineering annex, room floor, 4th floor, room number EF01. You see these details here have been fetched automatically after we booked the room. Yeah, and Nairobi 097, all this comes here, the edit profile page. Okay, now for contact page, it's just like you want to give letter of notice or you want to report something, you'll come here to your contact page, and there login, you can log in again, or you can just come here and log out, sign out. If you sign out, it will direct you to login page. Okay, thank you very much for listening and have a nice day.